If you come across a proportion question in this form where x over y equal to m over n, you know the rule. You cross multiply, right? Where you have n multiplying x to have nx, and you have m multiplying y to have my. But why does moving these numbers or letters diagonally actually work? It is not a trick, but rather a clever shortcut of doing same thing to both sides of an equation with multiplication to have the equation balanced. So we have this. Recall that when solving equations involving fractions, the first thing you want to do is to get rid of the denominators, right? So in this case now, to get rid of this denominator, let's start with getting rid of the y denominator. To do that, we are going to be multiplying the left-hand side and the right-hand side by y. So we're going to have y multiplying x all over y is equal to m all over n multiplying y. So this y, we take care of this y, we have 1 times x, we have x left, is equal to my all over n. Now we want to get rid of this denominator n. To do that, we are also going to multiply both sides of this equation by n. So we have n multiplying x is equal to my over n multiplying n. So this n, we take care of this n. We have n times x to give us nx is equal to my. Look at what happened. In two separate steps, we multiplied by y and by n. But cross multiplication is just a way to combine those two steps by multiplying by the least common denominator of this fraction, which is y and n. So you see, cross multiplication is not magic. It's simply a fast and clever shortcut to keep both sides of your equation equal while getting rid of the denominators. Let's solve one problem using cross multiplication. Okay, let's say we have x over 3 equals 4 over 6. We are to solve for x. So using cross multiplication, we have 6 multiplying x, 6x equals 12. To find x, we divide both sides of this equation by 6. This 6, we take care of this 6, we have x left. And 6 will go into 12 two times, so we have x as 2. I hope this helps you to understand why cross multiplication is not just a magic trick, but a clever shortcut. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Maths Easy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.